Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you remove your fingerprint lock in your Motorola phone device. Guys, you want to remove your fingerprint lock, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove fingerprint lock in your Motorola phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we remove our fingerprint. So when first of all open your phone setting to remove your fingerprint lock. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see your security setting. So guys tap here, guys click on your fingerprint and guys draw your pattern, and guys you can see add fingerprint. Guys you want to add fingerprint, so guys you can add from here, but guys you want to remove, so guys this icon guys delete option you can see, tap here and guys you can see this remove. Yes, we want to remove, so a fingerprint will remove in your Motorola phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove fingerprint. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in the next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.